Welcome to this video on architecting a living communication system. We will explore the KickLang version 4.1 initialization and implementation guide, focusing on how predictive primitives and personas create an adaptive, forward-looking communication framework. KickLang version 4.1 transforms static, flat data into an executable nervous system. By wrapping standard knowledge graphs into self-aware, coherence tracking structures, it enables human and multi-agent systems to read, traverse, and execute data simultaneously. This living objective demands high precision and self-awareness. Our approach to symbiotic human-AI co-creation prioritizes clarity, maintains coherence-native metadata, supports multi-voice orchestration, utilizes task-agnostic steps for governance, and ensures the entire structure is traversable at runtime. Let's examine the anatomy of a version 4.1 section. It features an anchor with explicit nesting tags, a human-readable identifier, a semantic category, and native metadata for tracking coherence and priority. An explicit closing tag ensures backward-compatible safety for the system. Multi-voice orchestration replaces traditional monolithic system dialogue. By using distinct persona tags, the system can inject identity, warmth, and explicit roles directly into the transport layer, moving beyond uniform, opaque output blocks. Predictive primitives map the simulated horizon. By wrapping future state proposals in a distinct semantic type with confidence scoring, the AetherisRuntime can use this metadata as a conditional gate to weigh internal predictions before executing them. Executing logic with TAS-native formatting allows for clear, machine-readable governance. The system reads priority metadata to manage the execution flow, review, map, and produce before securely sealing the execution sandbox with a closing tag. The convergence blueprint creates a self-documenting graph. KickLang is more than just markup. It functions as a central nervous system, weaving multi-agent consensus, action blocks, and human-readable narratives into a single, unified runtime environment. To activate your first TAS block, follow this track, review the specification, request refinements, produce implementation notes and test corpora, utilize migration tooling, and finally, launch your active implementation block within the AetherisRuntime. Looking at the predictive horizon for version 4.2, we see several signals, including native multi-agent consensus, direct pipeline embedding, automated syntax expansion via a macro system, and stronger static typing for tighter validation. With the draft delivered and the engines warm, the language now understands its content and speakers. All layers are synchronized, and the system is ready for you to review, refine, or move to implementation.